بيتك
من بيتك من
من بيتك
بيتك.
بيتك.
فهم؟
Okay, it is yes. هو ابن هو ابن أخي.
good. من هذا الولد الذي خرج من بيتك؟ هو ابن أخي. فهم؟ Sorry. Did you understand this sentence?
Yes.
Okay.
Who is this guy? من أين هؤلاء؟ هؤلاء is ضعيف
ضيوف.
ضيوف
من.
من. Okay.
It's
Uh,
من.
okay. من أين هؤلاء ضيوف
هؤلاء
ضيوف
الضيوف.
ضيوف هم هم من رياض.
So we will read like من الرياض.
من الرياض. Yes.
من أين هؤلاء الضيوف؟ هم من الرياض.
من أين هؤلاء هؤلاء المردات
ممرزات. ممرزات. It's ممرزات.
ممرزات. هن من
فلبين. It's فلبين.
فلبين. Okay. هن من الفلبين.
Did you understand this sentence?
Yes.
ممرزات meaning?
No, that I don't. No, Mumarizat, I think it is
Nurses.
nurses, yes. From where are these nurses?
من أين هؤلاء الممرضات؟ هن من الفلبين. Go ahead.
من هذه الفتيات. No. من هذه الفتاة. هن بيت المدرسة.
بنت المدرسة.
بنت المدرسة.
Yes, so do not get confused. It could be مدرسة. It could be madrasa.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
So again, I think you made mistake. So first, let me know al-fatatu meaning.
Fatatu is.
Al-fatatu meaning girl.
Girl. Yes.
So girls or girl?
Fatatu is girl.
Girl. It's singular. Al-fatatu is singular. You can also see here, hadihi is singular for female. So it could, it must be singular. If it is singular, it must be singular. So again,
من هذه فتاة هي بنت مدرسة.
So you said madrasati.
مدرسة.
Madrasa is a school, yes?
Yes.
So what does it mean? Hiya bintul madrasati. It meaning she is the daughter of a school.
Okay, no.
I said it could be madrasa, it could be mudarrisa, right? Yes. So you have to understand that where I need to read madrasa and where I need to read mudarrisa. If it is mudarrisa, meaning female teacher, or if it is madrasa, meaning school.
Yes.
Repeat it. I think still there is a mistake. That's why I'm asking again.
Okay. Hiya, uh, Hiya bintul uh, Hiya
Mudarrisat.
mudarisati.
Yes, hiya bintul mudarrisati. She is the daughter of the teacher, female teacher. So let me ask you some cross questions. So ar-rajul is ar-rajul, if it is, I mean, if it is singular, you need to tell me the plural. If there is plural, you need to tell me the singular. Okay, ar-rajul.
Ar-rajul is ar-rajul
Ar-rajulu.
rijalun
Good. Ar-rajulu singular, ar-rijalu plural. Mudarris.
mudarris uh, mudarris is mudarrisatun
Mudarris is singular, mudarrisuna is plural.
mudarrisun
At-talibat.
at-talibat uh, tab at-talibat. It is plural only, right?
Yes, it is plural. What could be the singular?
Tabibatun.
It's not doctor.
Sorry, talibatun.
So talibatun. Talibatun is singular and the talibat is a plural. Fasl.
Fasl.
Fasl is singular, right? Classroom
Yes.
or class.
Yes.
What could the plural be?
Fasl.
Fusul.
Fusul.
Fusul, right? Fusul.
Yes.
You may write if you want.
Yes.
Fusul. Okay. Al-fityatu.
Al-fityatu. Fatatu. Singular.
It's plural or
Sorry.
singular?
It is singular.
No, no,
And
no. If
haula is
Aula is there, so it could not be
yes,
singular, right?
it is plural. So so it is al-fatatu is singular.
So
Fata.
al-fityatu, al-fityatu is a plural of fata. Fata, yeah, fata. And
Yes.
this is for boys.
Okay. Fata.
We have read that in
Yes.
previous chapters. So al-fata. The singular is al-fata, alif, fata, ya, al-fata. And the plural one is al-fityatu, meaning boys.
Yes.
This one?
Abna.
Singular.
Ibnu.
At-taliba.
At-taliba.
Singular.
Talibatun.
Talibatu singular, right?
Yes.
See
And
here, plural.
yes.
This one plural, this one is
At-talibat.
plural.
Yes.
Suppose if you
At-talibat.
need to say, I mean, adjectival phrase of plural ones, at-talibatu, and then al-jadidatu, you have to come with plural of al-jadidatu. How will you say?
So jadid with judud, right?
Very
Judud
good.
of
At-talibatul jududu.
yes. At-talibat.
At-talibatul jududu. Okay.
Yes.
Maktaba. Al-maktabatu.
Al-maktabatu. Al-maktabatu. Al-maktabuna.
No. Al-maktabatu is singular. Al-maktabat. Al-maktabat. So I have said to you that uh, 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 female sound plural, right?
Yes.
We mix female sound plural by removing this ta and by adding alif long ta.
Yes.
Alif and a long ta. So maktabat.
Mm.
Got?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, people.
Annasu is a plural, right?
Yes.
People. What could the singular be?
Nas.
No. There is totally different. I mean, singular is totally different from plural. It's mar'un or imra'un. What?
Imra. Mar'un or imra'un.
Yes, mar'un and imra'un. There are two forms of singular. Mar'un, imra'un, meaning a person. Mar'un or imra'un. And annas is a people, right?
Yes.
Same in feminine. Imra'atun or mar'atun is a singular woman, and an-nisa'u is a plural women. Got?
Yes.
For judge, singular.
Hujjaj. It is Hujjaj. Haji.
No, Haji
Hajj.
is a we say Haji, but in
Yes.
Hindi or Urdu, right?
Yes.
In Arabic,
It is
we have gone through all these words.
yes. Yes.
Hajj,
Hajj.
Hajjun, singular.
Hajj.
الطبيبات.
At-tabibatun is plural. So tabibatun.
Very good. Mustashfa.
Mustashfuna.
Mustashfa is singular, right?
Yes. So
What could the plural be?
Mustashfuna.
No, Mustashfayat. What? I think it's new for you.
Yes.
Mustashfayat. Mustashfayat. You will find that. Okay. Al-waladu. Singular.
Al-waladu. Walidun.
No. Walad
Sorry.
is Walad is a
Boy.
different word and Walid is a different word, right?
Yes. So walad is
It is singular.
it is awladun.
Very good. Al-waladu and singular and plural is al-awladu or al-wildan. I think al-wildanu is a new for you.
Yes.
But there are two two plurals of al-waladu. Al-wildanu and al-awladu. Good. Bait. Bait is a singular house. Plural.
Yes. Buyut.
Very good. Buyut. Uh, Akhun. Akhun is a singular. Brother. Plural.
Akun is
Lordly.
ikwatun.
Very good. Ikhwatun. And there is another plural. Ikhwan. Have you heard Ikhwanul Muslimin?
No.
I think there is a campaign in Palestine, and that is called Ikhwanul Muslimin. And there is also a campaign, or there were a campaign in Egypt that is also called Ikhwanul Muslimin, Muslim brothers. Ikhwanul Muslimin. So Ikhwan is also a plural of Akhun, and it has another plural Ikhwatun.
Yes.
Al-Zuyuf.
Azuyuf. Zuyufun.
Sorry?
Zuyufu.
Zuyufun is a plural, right? Zuyufun.
Yes. So Zaifun.
Very good. Zaifun. Zaifun. Mumarrizatun.
Mumarizatu. Nurses. Mumariza.
Yes, mumarrizatun. Mumarrizatun.
Hmm.
Okay. Fatatun.
Fatatun. Fatatun. Uh, Fityatu.
Fityatun is a plural of fata, and that is for boys.
Okay.
It's for girl.
Okay. So it should be Fitatun. Okay, sorry.
Al-fatayatu.
Fatay.
Al-fatayatu. It's al-fatatu, and that is, I mean, the plural one is al-fatayatu. You can see here. We have read. See here. Al-fatayat. Man haula al-fatayat ya Maryam? Who are these girls, O Maryam? Al-fatayat. This is the plural of